Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Auto Clicker on iPhone. All right, so let's begin with the video. To begin, exit whatever app you're in and open up the Settings app. From there, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, which sits just below General. Once inside Accessibility, continue scrolling until you find Switch Control, because that's the feature we'll use to build the Auto Clicker. At the top, tap on Switches. If there's already a switch listed, you can remove it. Or if there aren't any, simply tap Add New Switch. When prompted to choose a source, select Screen, since we want the taps to happen directly on the display. Then choose Full Screen. After that, you'll see a variety of actions like Select Item, Stop Scanning, Navigation Options, and more. But for this setup, choose Tap under the System section. This gives you a full screen tap action, which is what we need. After selecting that, go back. Now it's time to create a recipe. Tap on Recipes, delete any existing ones if necessary, and then create a new recipe. Give it a name, such as Refresh, especially if you plan to use it for reloading a web page. After naming it, tap Assign a Switch and choose the full screen switch you just created. Here you will see many gestures that you can use from this list, and if you scroll down, you can even use the gaming gesture if you are doing this for gaming. But for this video, we will select Custom Gesture. Choose Custom Gesture. This is where you define exactly where the auto clicker will tap. Tap on the screen where you want the action to occur. And you can tap multiple times depending on how many repeated taps you want it to perform. Once finished, click on Save to save the gesture and confirm the recipe name. After saving, go back and make sure your new recipe is selected under Launch Recipe. With that done, everything is set up and ready. To make it easier to activate, go back to Accessibility, scroll down and tap on Accessibility shortcut. Deselect everything except Switch Control, so it becomes the only option. This allows you to quickly enable it using the side button. Now, when you open a web page or any app, you can triple click the side button to turn on Switch Control. Once it's active, tapping anywhere on the screen will trigger the custom gesture you created, effectively working as an auto clicker. If the tapping location isn't quite accurate, you can always go back and adjust the gesture until it lines up properly. To stop the auto clicker, simply triple click the side button again, and it will turn off. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use auto clicker on iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.